Hey out there in internet land, this is Roger Dodger 49er. My latest project is that's my clean rear wheel on my 1986 R80 RT. I want to show you something here. It's my little cleaning secrets. A little cleaning secret. If you look at that, I was looking pretty bad. I was cleaning it a little bit. Those pipes there looked like that. This thing was pretty dirty, but here's my cleaning secret. So I get me some steel wool right there, and I get this lime away. This is for your, you've probably seen it before. It's for cleaning the bathtub. I use it for all kinds of stuff. I used it to clean that brake up, you know. It was looking bad. But I'm just going to show you what it'll do on this right here. I'm going to pause it and put my glove on and just show you how fast that comes off with that stuff. And then I use just soapy water. This used to be Rain-X, but now it's just soapy water in there to kind of rinse the acid. I guess this stuff has acid. Now I will say this. I think the gel is better. This is not gel. But this is handy because it's got the spray on it. I don't think you can spray the gel, but let me pause. Okay, we're back. Let's see what happens. I gotta hold this with one hand. So first off, I'll just try one of these, like that one right there. So I'll spray up there and it'll run down on it. And then I get my little, actually I got this one. This one's kind of messed up, but it'll work. So, and then I just rub. Not really even that hard. Look at that. I mean, that's a used piece, so that's not even a good piece. Yeah, look at that. Take a little bit of that, spray it off. Look at that, man. That's my secret. That's Roger Dodger 49er for you. Signing out.